singles, 2 doubles. Half turn, praise the left, 2, 3. Right, 2, 3. Continenze. Leader around. Reprise, left, 2, 3. Right, 2, 3. Followers around, singles. Single, double, 2, 3. Double, 2, 3. Reprise left. Right. Reverenza. Saltarelli. Reprise left. Volta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From the top. Continenze. Shopping. Reprise the left. Rotonda. Okay, excellent. Well, this has been your Gioliva class. Apparently the musicians are very eager. So if you would like to repeat any part, of course, the benefit of a video is that you can rewind and do so. But happy dancing.
Meow.